In this video, we will learn about respiration. Now, we all think that we inhale oxygen into our body. So, if I take this is the organism's body, and we all inhale oxygen rich air and we give out carbon dioxide rich air. But this is not respiration, and this is termed as breathing. Now, to understand what is respiration, first let's think of a object that we use on a daily basis. It could be a bike or a car or bus, anything. So, to run a car or a bike, we need energy. So, where does a car get energy from? We put petrol or diesel into this car or bus, and that runs the engine, and that energy will be given to the engine, so it runs the car. Now, the petrol, how does it give energy? The petrol burns using oxygen from the air, and this gives energy to the car to run. Now, if you imagine, same thing happens in our body also. The petrol is the food for the car. So the food that we eat acts as the petrol to our body. The food reacts with the oxygen that is present in the air that we inhale and is oxidized to carbon dioxide. Now, what is respiration? If we see, the energy released during oxidation of food is used by my cell, and every cell needs the energy to do the daily activity. Hence, we tell that food and oxygen are necessary to produce energy. Now, how do we define respiration? It is a simple process, biochemical process, which takes in oxygen, and the oxidation of food occurs in presence of oxygen, and during this chemical reaction carbon dioxide and energy are released, and this process is known as respiration. In the picture we can see the summarized version where glucose in the presence of oxygen is broken down to give us carbon dioxide, water and energy. This energy will be used up for various cellular activity in my body. What will happen to carbon dioxide? It will be released out of the cell and eventually out of the body through a process that is exhalation. And this water is essentially because the body is made up of water. 70% of the body consists of water, so it stays in the body. Now, respiration is a biochemical process. It involves the following steps. One is it takes oxygen from the environment, then it oxidizes the food, that is the glucose that we take in through our diet, and this oxidation needs oxygen. And finally, energy is released along with carbon dioxide. Now, this carbon dioxide will be eliminated out of the cell and eventually out of the body. So, therefore, we can tell we respire to get energy. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.